Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about the stock market has hit some high this week. Let's get into the video. The stock market has continued to do well for the year 2024. However, this week the market has even risen higher, which is good news for the people who is taking advantage of putting a percentage of their paycheck into the stock market every month, whether it's in their work-sponsored 401k or Roth IRA or just investing in a brokerage account. I have seen tremendous growth in my portfolio for the year 2024 so far, and including this week. So it's also as good of an idea to dollar cost average into the stock market. Now is a great time to be investing a percentage of your salary into the market to help build some wealth for you and your family. I always will say that set up a financial plan for your money. The thing to do is to create a monthly budget for the money you receive monthly, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly from your job. The way you can see how much money you can invest every month. I would say try to make it a goal to put at least $500 per month towards investing into the market, especially in your retirement accounts. I know this can be very difficult, it's not very easy, but if there is something preventing you from doing that, for example, debt or not enough income, I would also say get on a plan on paying off your debt using the debt snowball or avalanche method. On the other hand, if you do not have enough income, you could consider working a part-time job after your main job or on nights and weekends. My second choice to increasing your income is creating an online business. With the use of the internet, you can start an online business immediately with $50 to bring in extra money to increase your income. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.